Graphing functions can be challenging, but once you know easy rules to find the vertical and the horizontal asymptotes, it makes it so much easier. Stay tuned to this video to find out how. Make sure you subscribe and share with a friend. Graphing can be difficult, so here are some easy rules to figure out your vertical asymptote and your horizontal asymptote. Please make sure you get this down in your notes ASAP. So your vertical asymptotes are your x values because your x equals lines run vertically up and down. So your vertical asymptotes, all you need to do for these is set the denominator equal to 0 and solve for x. That x value you get will be your vertical asymptote, so it's super easy. If we look at this problem right here, all you need to do is set the denominator equal to 0, and you're going to easily see then, if you take the square root of that, that x will equal plus or minus 2. This right here would be your vertical asymptote for that problem. Now, get your notebook out for your horizontal asymptotes. These have a few more rules to them that you're going to want to write down and have handy. So your horizontal asymptotes are your y values. Those are your horizontal y value lines. They have 3 different things that you're going to look at to decide your horizontal asymptote. First thing you need to know is you're going to look at the exponents. Okay, those are the degrees of your polynomials. So, for example, if your numerator degree equals your denominator degree, so here are the degrees, right? It's the exponents. The degrees are the exponents. If they're equal, squared, squared, they are equal, then your answer is just going to be the fraction of their coefficients. The coefficient is the number in front of that x value. So in this case, your horizontal asymptote would be 2/3. Again, horizontal asymptotes are y values. They're written as y values. Now, in this case, if your numerator degree is greater than your denominator degree, so this one is a 2, right? And this one down at the bottom is just a 1. Okay, so your numerator degree is 2, your denominator degree is 1. Since it's bigger than the denominator, you're just going to write, there isn't one. How easy is that? There isn't one. Now, if your numerator degree is less than your denominator degree, so again, down here, your numerator degree is 1, your denominator degree is 3. If the numerator degree is smaller, then you're just going to write y equals 0. So these are the 3 simple rules for horizontal asymptotes. Let's do a quick couple problems to do both your vertical and your horizontal asymptotes. Okay, again, for your vertical asymptotes, you're just going to set that denominator equal to 0, and you're going to solve. So x is going to equal plus or minus 4. These would be your vertical asymptotes right here. That's how easy and quick that is. Your horizontal asymptotes, you're going to be looking at the degrees of the x value in the numerator and the denominator, the biggest one. So in this case, they're both 2. So you're just doing a fraction of their coefficients, which was just 2/1. So your horizontal asymptote is going to be y equals 2. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, right? Okay, next. Vertical asymptote. So your vertical asymptote, again, you're going to put the denominator equal to 0. So you're going to get x equals plus or minus 1 for your vertical asymptote. Your horizontal asymptote, your degree in the numerator is 1. Your degree in the denominator is 2. So when the numerator degree is smaller than the denominator degree, do you remember? If not, look back at your notes. Your horizontal asymptote is going to be y equals 0. Okay, one more. Again, vertical asymptotes. Again, you're going to take your denominator equal to 0, so x is just equal 0. So that's for your vertical asymptote. For your horizontal asymptote, again, you're going to look at the degrees of your variable, and your numerator is smaller than your denominator. So do you remember what that is? This is another one where your horizontal asymptote is just 0. So these are quick, easy rules for you to find the vertical and the horizontal asymptotes anytime that you need to hand graph a function. Be sure to subscribe and share this video with a friend. Let's try that again. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.